are going to take a look at AVer U70i document camera. The U70i is a USB plug-and-play visualizer that helps teachers easily create hybrid distance learning experience. The U70i features a lightweight and portable design, only 1.5 kilograms, and it has a premier quality lens and AI noise reduction microphones that teachers effortlessly live streaming videos of people and sing at school or from home using all their teaching superpowers. Okay, let's take a look at the U70i's 10 key features. The first one, it has 13 megapixels and it supports 4K output resolution and 60 times digital runs, A3 shooting area, and USB plug and play, and is portable and foldable, and with AI noise reduction, AI image rotation, hybrid teaching, 2 years warranty. Okay, let's take a look at the camera head function button. The first button is LED buttons. So you can just press the button to turn on, turn off the overhead LED light. And the second button is capture and rotate. So press the button to capture a still image. Please be noted that it should work in conjunction with AVer Touch software, okay? And don't press the button for 3 seconds to rotate the live image 180 degrees. Okay, the next button is autofocus. So just press the button. It will automatically adjust the focus. Okay, now you can see it's the green light. It means it's power on. Okay, and here is the built-in microphone. Okay, now you can see the camera sensor. Now, as you can see, it's the camera sensor and the LED. So I press the LED button. Okay. Okay, let's take a look another side. Okay, the first button is AI noise reduction. Okay, if you turn on the noise reduction, the built-in microphone will suppress the background noise. Okay, the second button is AI auto rotate. If you switch on auto rotate, the function will automatically flip 180 degrees of the live image when blending the gooseneck upward or downward. And let's take a look at the U70i camera base. As you can see, it's the anti-slip strip, and it has USB cable holder, and it's USB cable. Okay, let me show you how to use U70i AI auto rotation. Okay, as you can see, here is the AI auto rotate buttons. So just switch on these buttons. Now you can see the paper is on the desk. So when I flip up the camera head over the 60 degrees, and the live image will automatically rotate to 180 degrees. And when I flip again, and the paper will automatically rotate to 180 degrees. So the U70i is a document camera and also a web camera. So the teacher will easy to use the document camera for distance learning in the classroom. Okay, let me show you when you turn off the AI noise reduction. You can listen my voice is different with the AI noise reduction on. Okay, when you turn on the AI noise reduction, and you can listen, this my voice is different with the AI noise reduction when you switch off. Okay, so if you turn on the noise reduction, the built-in microphone will suppress the background noise